So for today's lesson and for several lessons to come, we'll be going back and using your Fix-It Grammar workbook that you used from last semester. Since these are already printed off, you can just go ahead and correct these on your paper. For today, you'll just be doing week 20, and it's just going to review quotations. So if you can read over this if you want to, but you should be pretty good at quotations by now. So you want to pay attention to spelling, the usage, the grammar, and make sure you use your punctuation marks correctly, and capitals and stuff like that. And then also, what I want you to do is look up these 4 words here that are in dark print, because these are the vocabulary words for this lesson. So first, you'll need to go over here on your lesson and hit Add or Create, and click on Google Docs, and that'll open up a Google Doc for you. And then you're going to type in the word, because it's just writing definition. So type in the 4 words, and then you can just use Google to look it up. Like the first one is querulously. And in English, we know that a lot of times it'll give you multiple different definitions. So just read over the definitions and decide which one fits that sentence. So, like in this one, it says, tossing her golden locks, Dorinda quickly turned away. Why does everyone think that I ought to be like their servant? She murmured querulously. So here, giving to complaining, peevish, or expressing a complaint or grievance. Well, obviously that one would be number 2, expressing a complaint or grievance, grumbling. So you could copy that, and then you would just paste that in over here. So if I wrote in the word, since I've already got it on here, I'm just going to copy and paste it. But since you'll actually be using your workbook that you have there, you'll want to type that word in. And then you can just use the computer and Google, copy your definition and paste it in. And then do that for the other 3 words, and then come back over here and just click turn in when you're finished. Now you won't have to save this because Google Docs automatically saves whatever work that you do. And then for tomorrow, you'll be doing the other 2 sentences. You don't have to do definitions again, but you'll fix the other 2 sentences on your paper. And then once you finished with these 2 sentences, I want you to go in, do the same thing we did here, add or create a Google document, and then I want you to type these sentences correctly, okay? So at all of your quotation marks, your periods, type them the way that they should be as your student rewrite. When you get finished, then just like before, you can come back over here to your classroom and click turn in.